Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to tidy up your Instagram profile by removing old or unused collections, you're in the right place. Collections are a handy way to organize your saved posts, but sometimes you just want to keep things fresh and get rid of what you don't need anymore. Deleting a collection on Instagram is simple, and I'll walk you through each step so you can do it in just a few moments. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where your collections are saved. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Tap on it to head over to your profile page. Now, glance up at the top right corner. You'll notice the three-line menu icon. Tap it, and a menu will slide out from the side of your screen. In this menu, you'll see several options, but the one you're looking for is called Saved. Go ahead and tap that. Inside the Saved section, you'll find all the posts you've saved, and if you've created any collections, you'll see them listed here. Tap on Collections to view all the groups you've made. Now browse through your collections and select the one you want to delete by tapping on its name. Once you're inside the collection you want to remove, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap those three dots and a small menu will pop up. In that menu, you'll see the option to Delete Collection. Tap on it. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Just to make sure you really want to delete the collection, tap Delete or Confirm, depending on what your screen says, and just like that, your collection will be gone. All the posts inside it will still be saved in your main Saved section, but the collection itself will disappear. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to delete a collection on Instagram, and you can keep your profile organized and clutter-free. If you found this helpful, or if you have any other Instagram tips you'd like to learn about, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.